Hi guys, today I'm up in North Gilbert around Gilbert Road and Warner. Wanted to see this house that just came on the market. It was built in '73, but it's been totally refurbished. Everything's brand spanking new in it. New countertops, new cabinets, new flooring, all new paint job, new windows, roof, AC, everything's been redone in this house. But what I wanted to see was this detached RV garage. So if you're a car enthusiast, this might be your house for a very affordable price. Let's see what else this house has. If you'd like to know more about this beautifully remodeled home and very affordable home with an RV garage and workshop, give me a call at 480-776-7066 or shoot me an email at tim@realtorinYellow.com.